Welcome back, gentlemen, to Apex Monde. Today we'll explore the top 5 hairstyles to level up your hair game. So let us not waste another moment, for time waits for no man. 1. The effortless flow. First on our list is the effortless flow. This style, gentlemen, is for those who embrace their natural texture. It's carefree yet sophisticated, and it's making a statement in current men's fashion. This style typically features longer hair that is naturally layered to create movement and texture. The hair is often left unstructured and flowing freely, with a focus on maintaining a relaxed appearance. This style is often associated with the surfer or beach-inspired aesthetic, evoking a sense of freedom and nonchalant coolness. The effortless flow is a manifestation of untamed elegance. It is a testament to your personality, effortlessly commanding attention without ever demanding it. Celebrities such as Keanu Reeves, Timothée Chalamet, and Avan Jogia have been seen sporting the effortless flow hairstyle on the red carpet, exuding sophistication, yet in a natural and carefree manner. Want to achieve this look? Here's the secret. Keep it simple. After washing your hair, apply a small amount of a lightweight styling product. A sea salt spray, such as the one from Murdock London, or even their sea salt volume hair mousse, would do the trick. Work it through your damp hair and let it air dry. Remember, gentlemen, less is more when it comes to product application, for we aim to achieve an appearance of effortless cool. To maintain the flow and keep the shape without losing the length, you need regular trims. Every 6 to 8 weeks should do it. And remember, guys, hydration is crucial. Invest in a good conditioner to keep that wave looking fresh and healthy. 2. Messy fringe. Next on the dock, we have the messy fringe. This hairstyle is for those who embrace a bit of edginess and freedom in their look. The style has captured the hearts of the social media generation, becoming a go-to choice for those who want to express their youthful charm. The messy fringe is characterized by a textured and tousled fringe that appears intentionally disheveled, giving off an effortless and edgy vibe. Often paired with shorter or medium-length hair on the sides and back, the fringe itself is left longer and styled to create a messy appearance. It can be adapted to different hair lengths, textures, and face shapes, allowing guys to tailor the style to suit their own features and preferences. The messy fringe offers a perfect balance between a messy and structured look, creating a cool and slightly rebellious image. It's all about embracing imperfections and letting your hair naturally fall into place, adding an element of nonchalant style to your overall appearance. Social media stars such as Noah Beck and Griffin have been seen rocking the messy fringe hairstyle, exuding a confident and free-spirited vibe. To style the messy fringe, you're going to need a good quality matte pomade. I personally recommend Church California's Coastal Creme Pomade, as it is 100% organic, with 24 active ingredients that rejuvenate the hair while adding volume and texture. Use it sparingly. You want to define your fringe, not weigh it down. Work the pomade from the roots up, adding a bit of lift and definition. To ensure your fringe remains in its place, invest in a high-quality hairspray such as the Mastery Liquid Hairspray from Archive. And to maintain the look, keep that fringe in check with a trim every 4 to 6 weeks. 3. The undone wavy. Third on our list is the undone wavy. It's the ultimate laid-back style for guys who have natural waves in their hair. A popular look for men across various age groups and fashion styles, a testament to casual elegance and a nod to the free-spirited. The undone wavy hairstyle is characterized by loose, natural-looking waves that give off an effortless and relaxed vibe. This style has gained traction as a go-to choice for those seeking a laid-back yet stylish appearance that is versatile and easy to achieve. It often features hair that is left relatively unstyled, allowing the natural texture and movement of the waves to shine through. One of the reasons for the popularity of the undone wavy hairstyle is its versatility. It can be adapted to suit different hair types, lengths, and face shapes. Celebrities such as Hairstyles and Cole Sprouse have been sporting the undone wavy look in recent years to popularize it. Getting this look is a breeze. All you need is a good sea salt spray. Spray it onto damp hair, scrunch a little with your hands, and let it air dry. Maintaining your waves is all about hydration. You've got to condition regularly, gentlemen. Aim to condition your hair at least twice a week to keep those waves looking their best. 4. Curtains. Number 4 on our list, gentlemen, is a classic throwback that's making a modern comeback. The curtains hairstyle. This style channels a 90s aesthetic, but with a contemporary twist. It's the fusion of past and present in your self-expression. A go-to choice for those seeking a stylish and retro-inspired look that adds a touch of sophistication. This hairstyle is characterized by a middle part that divides the hair into 2 sections, with the hair on either side falling forward and framing the face. It features hair that is longer on the top and sides, allowing it to be styled into curtain-like sections. The middle parting creates a symmetrical appearance on the face. This style often incorporates layers to add texture and movement, and it can be adapted to suit different hair types and lengths. The hairstyle offers a sophisticated and polished option for men who want to add a touch of elegance to their appearance. It can be a versatile choice, suitable for both formal and casual occasions. Drawing inspiration from the hairstyles popularized by actors in the 1990s and early 2000s, the curtains hairstyle has been adopted by many young celebrities and influencers today, with a modern twist to create a contemporary look. Experiment with different techniques like blow-drying with a round brush to achieve a smooth and sleek finish. For upkeep, a regular trim every 6 to 8 weeks can keep the style fresh and neat. A leave-in conditioner, such as the Super Shine Moisturizing Cream from Oribe, is a great idea to prevent any dryness or frizziness. 5. The buzz cut. Our final pick, gentlemen, is a timeless and bold statement. The buzz cut. It's more than just a haircut, it's an attitude. It shouts confidence and discipline. It's minimalistic yet remarkably striking. It is characterized by short hair that is cut close to the scalp, creating a tight and clean appearance. This hairstyle has become a go-to choice for those seeking a minimalistic and fuss-free style that exudes confidence and masculinity. It has gained popularity among individuals from various backgrounds, including athletes, military personnel, and fashion-forward men. Achieving this hairstyle involves trimming the hair to a consistent length all over the head, typically using electric clippers. The length of the hair can vary, ranging from a very short stubble length to slightly longer variations. Celebrities and public figures have contributed to the popularity of the buzz cut hairstyle. Actors like Chris Evans and Michael B. Jordan have embraced this look, showcasing its masculine appeal. To adapt the buzz cut for different occasions, you can experiment with different beard styles, or play with facial hair grooming techniques. Keep it clean-shaven for a sleek and modern look, or grow some stubble for a rugged and versatile appearance. Remember, gentlemen, a buzz cut puts your scalp on display, so skincare is paramount. Invest in good scalp moisturization, such as the Sage and Cedar Scalp Treatment Oil from Aesop. To keep that buzz cut looking its best, you need to protect your scalp from the sun. Get yourself a misting sunscreen, such as the one from Cooler, to make sure your scalp stays healthy. Know this: in the end, it all comes down to expressing your individuality and owning your style, gentlemen. Your hairstyle is a testament to your personality. Style is nothing without proper care and maintenance. Keep your hair healthy and invest in good grooming habits. So, which one resonates with you? What's your next look going to be? Whichever you choose, wear it with confidence.